So here are the vegetables for our stir fry. So let's bring them to the stove. Okay, once again, we're going to turn our stove on medium high. And we're going to pour our vegetable oil in. Now, I have some more vegetable oil here on the side, and we're going to probably need more as we're going. So just put about, I don't know, probably a half a cup in, and let's wait till that gets heated up. So let's take our vegetables in. We'll take our zucchini and throw that in. And then we'll take our green peppers, throw that in. And then we'll take, we got a little bit of zucchini left over here. So let's make sure we get all of that. Okay, and then we'll take our green onion, the top parts, and we'll throw that in. And then, of course, our green onion, the bottom parts, and we'll throw that in. And we're going to save our basil for later. Okay, and we're going to stir this around until it's crisp but tender. So that's maybe about 5 minutes. And it's, remember my rule, always keep it moving, keep it moving. So let's just keep stirring this around until it's nice and crisp yet tender. Okay, and that's definitely coming along nicely. Still not crisp yet, so we're just going to keep it moving, like so.